In this activity, the teacher is going to upload 6 music video according to their 6 ethnic classifications in Car, which are Apayao, Benguet, Mountain Province, and Abra, Kalinga, and Ifugao, wherein the students are going to watch it because the technology generation students are more interested in the topic through visual rather than reading textbooks. For example, by putting animation in your PowerPoint, the students are encouraged to listen attentively.
Waday say balasang naknakin ang amuan say ibaloy tagabahong ngay dumdumay pintas na sinuman ay lalaki dago say mangur sunada Tinay nagsisya kasing mahabo
Tunalgo anhem madatnan aneta pupuni ahanan tunado way namigudan tunado lanye umiyong ibig bigat obe kami kaliwan antun makmokan tag manyamanat
Manyamanak, 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 kan kabunyan, tain mo yak binindisyunan. Manyamanak, manyamanak, kan amak, manyamanak, kanina, tain mo yak inyanak, sinlubong ulay naligat. Manyamanak.
Xin đời ai ca môi muyang ko mantau enak sisimpo ilugi ay nan bisyo inomia din tabako mantau
Students, after watching, the students are going to be grouped into 6 for them to research on their own music video that is inclined with the different ethnic music of the different tribes. As we all know, the students are more productive when they are collaborative to their co-students in making their outputs, and they will surely enjoy it, for they will share different types of ideas with their group mates.
After they already come up with their outputs, they are going to burn it on a CD and upload it on Facebook, and it is open to all students of the university for them to have freedom to like, share, and comments for the betterment or improvement of their output.
We know that students can learn or appreciate the topic if they will experience it by themselves, being the one who are uploading their outputs on a Facebook.
The group who will have the highest likes will given a chance opportunity to perform their piece or their output to any activity of the School of Teachers Education.
In this kind of assessment, the students could already get the feedback of their output by seeing the like, comments for the improvement or appreciation of their work.
We, facilitators, would like to thank you for your cooperation. Thank you very much, and God bless.